Starz has released the official trailer for the second season of sci-fi thriller Counterpart, and set a December premiere date for its return. Season 2 will debut day and date Sunday, December 9th in the EU and on Starzplay in the UK and Germany. The 10-episode second season introduces new series regular Betty Gabriel, Get Out, Westworld, as Naya Temple and Emmy winner James Cromwell, American Horror Story, Asylum, 6 Feet Under, in a recurring role as Yanek, joining star Simmons. Season 2 finds Howard, Simmons, and his counterpart stranded in 2 different worlds, each having to adapt for survival. Howard Prime takes on his other's life, going to his job, living in his home. With his wife, Howard Alpha is locked in a mysterious black site known as Echo, cut off from everyone he knows. As a Cold War escalates between worlds, deepening a fickle divide, both men find themselves growing increasingly like their other. Olivia Williams, Lloyd, Nicholas Pinnock, Nazanin Boniadi and Sara Serraiocco also star. Produced by MRC and distributed by Sony Pictures TV, Counterpart was created by Justin Marks, The Jungle Book, who also serves as executive producer and who will make his directorial debut on the series this season. Gary Gilbert also executive produces with Gilbert Films, along with Jordan Horowitz, Morten Tyldum, Redmon and Bard Dorros with anonymous content. Starz also released the new key art below. Check out the trailer above.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.